Hi, Maricris. This is Dr. Wuki, and I'm just going to review and make comments on this abstract that you have um, on the topic investigating structural property. Oh, no, on the isolation of a natural product. Sorry about that. So, reading through this abstract, you've stated pretty much a good, clear introduction into this short abstract, and you mentioned the plants that you're going to be looking at and the reason for that, which is pretty good. Now, in terms of the extraction here, um, you're looking at two extraction methods. We say in here to perform and establish an efficient method of extraction and isolation in the scale to obtain a sufficient yield of flavonoids for analysis. So you say that you are following two of the method of choice that you have highlighted in there, and those two has clearly shown their differences and contrast. So I think what you have to really bring in at the concluded statement here is that how you're going to refine a method that accounts for what you have seen from these two to be a way forward to get a better analysis in terms of yield, and also in terms of the consumption of solvents, solvent and materials in the method. So the other dimension that you're going to be looking at is the final sort of analysis, because out here you are saying that newer studies have shown that HPLC is more suitable separation technique and better characterization of flavonoids when combined with UV. So lastly, a proposed method of analysis will involve the using UV along with other detectors to provide a more complete characterization of flavonoids. This is kind of a very open and loose statement. You need to really tighten this up, because UV out here is a UV as a detector. If you want to use UV as one of the tools of analysis, like what we were planning in our method, that really is not a very high-end or a very powerful technique to be dealing with natural products such as this. So you'll need to make sure you make clarification or revise this statement that you have here in that sentences. And also, due to the global outbreak, this experiment could no longer be continued. So thus your paper will focus on the methodology that is proposed in this study and the result obtained. So in other words, you really need to just expand a little bit further in the statement here, because what you're saying is already probably done here, but you need to clarify that. Meaning that you want to compare these two methods and come up with something for the future, or something that will be tried out as a possibility of a better method dealing with some of the limitations that you see in the other two methods. Okay, thank you.